And this,
I'm Febiola.
and I'm Alif.
Well, today we will invite all of you to
Our school tour at SMK Sepuluh Nopember Sidoarjo.
Didn't even get to cross.
So guys, we are on the way to analyst lab.
Yes.
So guys, and there it is.
Did the analyst student study here?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you for your information. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay guys, now we are in front of office administration and packing area. Come on. Okay guys, we are in front of the last lab of our school, and this is a nursing lab.
So let's find out what's in the lab.
Come on.
By the way guys, just information. Our school also has a teaching factory, namely scuba daycare. You can continue your school tour there.
Wow, it's wonderful. Thank you for the information, Eki. Well, we must go to scuba daycare. So, goodbye, Eki, and thank you for guiding us.
Goodbye. You are welcome.
Welcome to the scuba daycare.
Wow, the place is so great. By the way, we have introduced ourselves. My name is Alif and Andre and Febiola. Hello.
Hello, sis.
Hello.
What is your name?
Hi, my name is Pauline and this is my colleague. Her name is Novia. Hi, I'm Novia.
Hi, Novia.
Hey guys.
Let me take you to the scuba daycare.
Come on.
Come on.
In this daycare, there are several facilities, such as indoor playroom, bedroom, library room, baby spa and baby gym rooms, dining room, and educational toys.
How is the tour, guys?
It's very interesting and there are a lot of information there.
How come there are a lot of mosquitoes? Oops, I forgot to turn on the aromatherapy candle.
What is that?
This is aromatherapy candle. candle. It made of the lemongrass. It can make the body relax and it can make the mosquito away from us.
Wow, it's relaxing.
Yes, this candle is product of Pramesty student. It is a new finding from the student of SMK Sepuluh Nopember Sidoarjo.
Wow, marvelous.
Yes, let me take you to the Pramesty laboratory.
Okay, come on.
Okay guys, we are going to the pharmacy lab. Come on.
Hi, Belle. Hey. Well, I will introduce you to smokers who want to know how to make a Citronella Candle as a Aromatherapy Candle. They are Febiola, Andre, and Alif.
Hello, Belle.
Hello, I'm Bella.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, you can follow them and I will bring the scooter there. Thanks a lot, Novia.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, follow me. Hi guys. Hi. I will introduce you to vloggers who want to know how to make Citronella Candle as Aromatherapy Candle. They are Andre,
Hello.
Febiola, and Alif.
Hello, my name is Lola.
And I am Halimatus.
Hi guys.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello guys! Now it's time for us to show you how to make Citronella Candle as Aromatherapy Candle. There are two ways to make it. First, how to make Citronella oil. Second, how to make Citronella Candle. First, we would like to make Citronella oil as a main source of Citronella candles. To make Citronella oil, we will use distillation.
Guys, do you know distillation? Distillation is the process of separating components or substances from a liquid mixture by using selective boiling and condensation.
Well, before the begins the distillation, we should wear personal protective equipment. There are lab coat, lab masks, cap, and hand screen. Alright guys, are you ready for distillation? Come on, let's begin.
First, cut the lemongrass into small pieces at about 1 cm. After that, mash the lemongrass until it smells fragrant. Then, put the lemongrass and water into the round bottom flask.
Vaporize and become steam while other substances remain in solid state in boiler. Steam is then directed into a cooler. It cools down and returns to liquid. The results are water and citronella oil. After that, we will separate water and oil using separatory funnel. Finally, citronella oil is ready to be used.
For the information, we can also make citronella oil using maceration at home. Maceration is the process by which organized tissue is transformed into a suspension of interact cells, resulting in pulpy products used as base material. It's simpler than distillation.
First, cut some candles into small pieces and place it into a baker glass. Second, put the baker glass on the hot plate. Then, turn on the hot plate. After that, wait until the wax.
After that, give the food coloring. Then, mix the wax with citronella oil.
Next, pour the mixture of the wax, food coloring, and citronella oil into a decorative glass. After that, wait until the wax hardens. And then, cut the wick. Don't cut it too short. Finally, the wax is ready to be used as citronella candle.
Yes, of course. We also know how to make a citronella candle as an aromatherapy candle.
So, see you again.
SMK bisa, SMK hebat, go global, go inovatif, go vlogging.
KKSI 2019.
Great!
Oh, so guys, this is our